Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, but the movement continues, and it continues to grind higher and higher, so updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a very foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that's what we have right here at $3.90, what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above $3.90, that would definitely be a great sign of power. But don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that level, then everything's epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $3.90 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above $3.90, that's what you want to see. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here at all, other than the fact that on two separate occasions, both there and then there, the price got rejected at right at 404. Let's just call it 405. So 405, public enemy number one, but none of these levels matter. Why do I say that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is just building higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. But overall, very, very nice move once again. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.